I know I shouldn't be in love, 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 in love. I know I shouldn't be in love, in love, in love, in love, in love.
I think I still prefer sunsets
Me too.
because I will see a sunset every single day, whereas I'll be asleep during most of the sunrises.
But maybe that's what makes them special, because you need to put that extra effort.
Nah. What a beautiful day today.
It's a beautiful day.
Captain Nick, guide us.
Just basically.
Like-
Okay. Yeah. Let's take a look at the propeller together. All the blades are in condition. A little bit of paint scratches on a couple of them, but that's fine. Please bring it back like that. Freshwater showers there. Do your
Oh, nice.
after you swim. Just trim buttons on here on this boat. So that puts the engine in. Only start the engine when it's in the water because it needs the seawater as a coolant. So we can start it.
Oh, what's that statue there?
That is Queen Regina. Regina with an R.
Not with a V.
Just in case it didn't get picked up on the microphone.
Put it on the roller.
In front.
Give it
Hold it, don't let it go.
give it all the chain it's got. Keep rolling it down so the whole chain's on the floor. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Go.
We're now heading to one of my favourite places in Cyprus, sea caves. And the sunsets here, you can't match them at all. The sun is still pretty high up, so I'm going to set up the tripod and let's catch the sunset. That was amazing. Well, actually, I always say that was amazing.
That was a spectacle.
Sunsets are my favourite things to watch, so if you visit Cyprus, and you don't come here, you haven't seen Cyprus at all. Because there's nowhere like this where I've been to where you can literally look out and just see just the sea, and there's nothing beyond that.
Colours are beautiful.
A lot of people like to go cliff jumping here, but I think they've banned it now because a few people got killed in the past. So look, they've just put cameras here where no one can even jump anymore. This is the jump if you were to jump. I don't want to go too close in case I drop my camera, but it's pretty high. It's pretty high. We have arrived at Millomeris. Millomeris waterfall. This is the largest waterfall in Cyprus.
Is it?
Is it? I don't know. And we are here. So then we're gonna walk all the way down this pink road, the Millomeris nature trail, to the waterfall.
This is the active rest and recovery.
Yes.
Feel excited?
I am very excited.
You're gonna swim.
A good recovery.
Are you guys gonna swim?
Yes, I will dip my toes in the water. Are you gonna get in as well?
No. The kitchen is closed.
The kitchen is closed?
Yeah.
How is the kitchen closed at this time? Are people not eating? No food for us yet. So we never explored the villages of Cyprus. Next time, we have arrived.
To the village tavern.
The village tavern. This is the village parking. Look at that.